Today we're going to make our dolls some Easter treats. First, cut out two 1-inch circles of brown foam. Then, hot glue the two circles together with a toothpick in the center of them. This creates a little chocolate lollipop. Then take a rectangle of aluminum foil and fold it into the back of your lollipop. Then add on some Easter stickers. Create more to make a bunch of chocolate Easter lollipops for your dolls. For some mini chocolate marshmallow eggs, cut out a small egg out of brown foam. Cut out more of that same sized egg and glue together 3 layers. Then you're going to cover all the chocolate marshmallow eggs you made with some brown puffy paint. It gives it some more texture and a nice glossy finish to make it look like chocolate. For some of them, I also cut out a part of it and added some white paint. This really gave it the effect that there's marshmallow inside of it, and these are some of my favorite Easter treats. For a simple Easter egg cookie, cut out an egg out of brown foam. I'm using a lighter brown this time. Then what I did is just place on some puffy paint in some different designs. I created some different puffy paint eggs with this, and these really look like cute Easter egg cookies. For a doll lamb cake, take a roll of tape and cover it with white foam. It should look like this once you have covered it all. I hot glued the foam on, made it easier. Next thing you're going to do is simply take puffy paint and draw on this lamb design. I saw this online, I thought it was pretty cute, and I had to make a miniature version for my dolls. The next DIY we have here is chicken macarons. So I again have 1-inch circles, 2 yellow and 2 orange. Then I glue them together like that. Finally, for these I added on some puffy paint to look like a chicken. These are really cute. I absolutely love how it didn't take so much time to make, and they are adorable. To create your dolls miniature chocolate covered strawberries that look like Easter carrots, take air dry clay or whatever clay you have and mold it into the strawberry shape. Then stick a pin in it. This will help a lot with painting. As you can see, I painted one coat in red, and then I dipped it in some orange puffy paint and put on a lighter puffy paint color to look like drizzle. This really gave it an added effect, and these turned out really cute once they were dry. Then what you're going to do is cut out a little strawberry leaf with green foam. Take that green foam and hot glue it onto your chocolate covered strawberry. This creates your doll some strawberries that are chocolate covered and look like carrots. This finishes up your DIY doll Easter treats. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and comment down below on other tutorial ideas, and Happy Easter! Make sure to subscribe and get crafting!